right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And in this video, we are going to be changing up the exhaust setup on the S650 Mustang GT. The car is going to be getting a lot louder. Hopefully it sounds good. If it doesn't, I do have a backup plan. Let me go over what we're gonna be doing. And we are that much closer to boosting this vehicle. Now, the exhaust setup this car has currently is stock headers, a cat delete, we have a Steeda H-Pipe, and we also have the stock active mufflers. I personally love the way the car sounds, but we are gonna be going ahead and removing the stock active mufflers, and we're gonna be doing some dumps after the H-Pipe. We're gonna be doing some weight reduction here. We are getting this car as light as possible without going ahead and tin canning it, because we need this car to be around 3,500 pounds race weight when we do go ahead and add a power adder, so it can actually move and be somewhat competitive. I think we're gonna be able to hit our 3,600-ish pound race weight before we boost it, removing the exhaust, and also going ahead and doing some interior weight removal. More on that in a later video. Let's go ahead and get a cold start. We are gonna head up to the exhaust shop, get it done. I'm gonna go to the same exhaust shop that dumped the Shelby GT350 exhaust. They did a fantastic job on that. Hopefully dropping a video on the Shelby GT350 this week as well, explaining why the car is not in the garage. It's currently at the shop, and that will go ahead and tie in with this vehicle, because we're gonna be boosting this vehicle. We're gonna be changing the setup on the Shelby GT350. We're doing a lot. We're doing a lot. I do think this car sounds good with the stock active exhaust, but we need to get some weight reduction. Let me know what you guys think. You like the way the car sounds? I think it sounds good. It's a nice mixture of loudness. It has a nice deep tone. There's no drone. I know there's going to be a little bit of drone with this new setup. Hopefully it's not that bad, but I think it's gonna be worth it for sure. I think it's gonna be worth it for sure. Hopefully we don't have a check engine light, because we are gonna be removing the valves. But again, I can obviously get that tuned and canceled out. I actually have a scanner as well that I can use to remove it, but we'll see, we'll see. All right. Just got my little turn down tips from AutoZone. Now it is time to head to the exhaust shop. Drop right here. There we go. Get a nice sound in, y'all. This is what this car is gonna sound like up till we get to the exhaust shop. I do think it sounds great though, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely cannot complain. Do a little weight reduction though. We gonna hit this light? Hopefully not. What's all this paper flying up? Shit flying out of his trunk. Typical Texas behavior, bro. Just stupid drivers. Stupid. Just get off the road, brother. Man, that truck is dropped. There's gonna be a stretch where I could do like a little slight pull, but I don't know if there will be. It's nice not having drone though. I hope it doesn't drone like crazy. I really hope it does not drone like crazy, but I have a backup plan if it does. Sir, I kind of went ahead and missed where I was at. Almost fumbled my turn off. About to do a hit, but it looks like that's a cop right. Is that a cop right there? I don't know what the fuck that is. I'm gonna do like a small burst. That's it. do it hits in this area. It sounds good. Fuck, a cop could spawn in literally anywhere. And trust me, they just be spawning in over here. No cap. Shit, yep. I think there's one right there. No, is that a cop? Yep, there, that is a cop. Oh, shit. Yeah, that is. Is that a cop? Oh, no, it ain't. Some service truck. Actually, I don't know what the fuck that is. Probably not a cop, to be honest, but I ain't finna take no chance. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna be pulling up very shortly. Damn, they might be full today. Low key. We gonna find out if they full. If they got available space today.
One eternity later.
It sounds way better than I thought it was gonna sound. You can definitely smell that tiny 85 now. Oh my god. Honestly, it's louder, but it still has that nice deep tone because we didn't mess with the H-Pipe. Dumped literally right after the H-Pipe. A little bit of it got cut off.